This is Simon, a YouTube genius that makes $122 extra every single day re-uploading his own videos. His entire channel, Metrics Media X, with over 2 million views, is built from re-uploaded videos, among which is this 43-second re-uploaded YouTube video that has made him over $2,500 in ad revenue. So if you're currently not re-uploading your videos, you're missing out on more views, more subscribers, and more money. Which is why in this video, I will show you how this actually works, the content strategy behind Simon's success, so that you can then copy and paste that and apply it to yourself. And I've also found a secret AI tool that I've used myself to copy this entire strategy within just a few clicks. So before I show you the entire blueprint that you can use, first of all, let's analyze how Simon does it. Simon has a channel that's called Metrics Media where he uploads long-form content. This channel is indeed monetized with over 273,000 subscribers and is currently getting about 800,000 views per month. As you can see, Simon creates full guide tutorials in which smaller actions are shown. For example, this WordPress tutorial is created out of a lot of small actions combined together. Now, Simon is smart because he knows that people are also searching for these small actions individually. However, they won't click on this full guide as they're just looking to solve that small problem. So here's what Simon does. Simon uploads full guide long form content. Then within these full guides, he will analyze which parts can turn into shorter videos that will still perform well. He will then clip up these shorter videos out of his long form video and upload them as an individual video. For example, how to get a UPC barcode for Amazon, how to add products to Shopify from AliExpress, or how to publish Shopify store. I know for a fact that Simon is clipping these videos based on the first second of this video.
Next. Now, to make our store public,
you see the beginning of that part, he's still talking about something else. However, he then cut it from that moment, and that's where he starts explaining how to publish a Shopify store. And that is because he clipped that from this full Shopify tutorial on his main channel. All of these videos are making insane ad revenue, and the best part is, he has to record 0 extra footage. And this is what we call content repurposing. So Simon's channel that only exists of re-uploaded content is currently getting 181,000 views per month, which is not insane. However, that is because you don't know how much money is getting paid per 1,000 views, which is insanely high judging by the content that he's uploading. I have got a similar channel that uploads the same type of videos, and my RPM on that channel is $20, which means it's safe to say that this channel is close to $4,000 in just ad revenue alone. However, that is not all, because Simon is also then linking affiliate products in the description of these videos, such as Shopify right here, his own course, and other online tools as well. So having analyzed that entire content strategy, I had to try it myself. So here's what I did. So on my own channel, I have got a lot of long form content. This video is 1 hour, this video is an hour, and there's plenty more. So I analyzed the long form videos I had and then figured out what I was including in these long form videos that I could clip up with this AI tool that I found to then upload on my second channel that could then perform well as well. In this video, I cover research tools for YouTube, one of which is vidIQ, another one is TubeBuddy. So I started researching that and I found that people are actively searching for the exact content that I cover in my long form video. However, I'm currently not clipping that content and re-uploading it, which means I was missing out on more views, subscribers, ad revenue, and affiliate commissions. So what I then did, I analyzed what people are searching for, and then I analyzed if I could rank my video for that. And here's what I found. I figured that 1 of 10, which is one of the tools that I covered in my long form video, doesn't have that much content around it. So right there, I found an opportunity. I then clipped my video with Vidyo AI and I uploaded it to my second channel. Now I will show you the result of that in a bit, but first, let me show you how you can easily clip and repurpose all of your content. For that, I use a tool called Vidyo AI. I will leave a link in the description down below for you to try it yourself for free. So you can either upload the file itself or you can use a YouTube link. So for me to create the 1 of 10 tutorial, I can simply copy the link, go to Vidyo AI, copy the link, click Start Import, and it will automatically create new videos for me, which is exactly what we need if we want to execute on this full blueprint right here. But more on that blueprint later. This is what it looks like once you're done. Automatically, it will create shorts as well as chapters. For now, I'm going to ignore the shorts. However, I will get back to this later in the strategy, as well as just keep in mind that it can automatically make shorts for you as well. But in my opinion, chapters is where it's at. Because if we analyze Metrics Media X, you can see these are not shorts, these are just shorter videos of 2 minutes, 4 minutes, maybe 1 minute, 1 minute, 4 minutes, 3 minutes again, sometimes even 13 minutes, but most of them are between 2 and 5 minutes long. So if you don't want to go back and re-edit that whole video just to create the individual video, this is why Vidyo AI is so good. First of all, it automatically analyzes which videos can do well. So you can see out of this long form video, it came up with these chapters right here, one of which is vidIQ versus TubeBuddy. If I type in vidIQ on YouTube, you'll see that people actually search for vidIQ versus TubeBuddy. And these videos have quite alright views. So from that long form video, I could potentially get another 20,000 views if I were to re-upload it as this video right here. The same goes for 1 of 10, which I'm looking to create as of right now. It is automatically recognized that that is a video that could do well. The same goes for YouTube research with the YouTube search bar, as well as the final conclusion to which tools are the best. Now all of that is great. However, what is even better is that if you go to the entire video, you can click on create custom clip. For me to upload a 1 of 10 tutorial and review as an individual clip, I need to clip this long form video from minute 11:44 until minute 6:11. So what I would do, I would put in these timestamps right here. I'll recommend adding a few seconds on each side of the video so that you can trim it perfectly. So 11:40, 16:15. Click confirm, and then right now it's going to create that custom clip for you, which will show up under the chapters section. So I'm gonna make this clip a 1 of 10 tutorial. However, currently I don't really like the template that it's using. So here's what you can do to customize that. Simply click change template right here and then choose between all the templates that they have. I don't recommend these two if you're gonna make YouTube videos. Instead, what I recommend is that you use a plain template like this one right here. Then once you've done that, click on edit and download video, which will bring you into the video editor, which is where first of all, I can trim the video quickly. As you can see, our video has to start right there. Then next up, all I want to do is get rid of the text right here. So go to text and then simply remove this, and there you go. If I preview this for you, I have now got my video with subtitles that Vidyo AI has automatically added, which are 100% accurate, all done by AI. And I simply have the clipped version out of my long form video, which means that right now it's already done. And that's how quick you can get this done with this tool. Just to let you know, you can choose the way the subtitles show up yourself. If you go to the closed captions right here, you can then play around with the style, as well as with the font settings and the colors, etc. You also have this progress bar at the bottom. If you want to remove that, you can click remove progress bar right here, or you can change the color or thickness. I will simply remove that for now. You can upload media, you can upload text, you can change the backgrounds, as well as you can generate a description with AI. So my 1 of 10 tutorial is now done. In order to download it, click download video in the top right corner. If you're on the free plan, you can download your video at 720p. As I'm on the pro plan, I'm gonna download it at 1080p, which is what I recommend you do as well if you're serious about the content that you're uploading. A pro plan starts at $29.99 a month, and it allows you to upload 300 minutes of content. If you need more content, you can go with the Pro Plus plan, which is the one I have myself, as I've got quite a long form content to clip up and re-upload. Then simply click confirm and your video is gonna download. Take your video, upload it, and there you go. As you can see, that's exactly what I did. I've uploaded this video yesterday, and it's currently already ranking 41 of 10 tutorial keyword, which means that I'll be getting more views, more subscribers, plus more affiliate commissions because I've got my affiliate link in the description down below. Which brings us to the full blueprint. It all starts off with long form content. When you're making this long form content, keep this in mind. Before you make the video, what can I include in my long form content that will also perform well in the clipped format? You can research topics to include before even making your full guide to maximize the total views that you can get with one recording. Once you have uploaded this long form guide, you want to put it into Vidyo AI and you want to create individual videos from that you upload to a second channel that will perform well. So all of these will be re-uploaded as individual videos. From these individual videos, you can link back to the full guide as well to continue to drive traffic to this main video. Once you have done that, you can upload the individual videos into Vidyo AI and then generate YouTube shorts from them and then link these shorts either back to the individual videos or all the way back to the full guide, creating a content ecosystem where each video complements the other video. I highly recommend you do this if you've got a bunch of content already. Vidyo AI is one of the best tools to do so, so once again, I'll leave a link to them in the description down below so that you can try it yourself for free.